So let's create a dashboard with a floating layout. So I'm going to go down here and I'm just going to select floating from the options panel. And let's drag in travel time. There it is. You can see automatically, because this is a floating layout, it's not filling up the whole viewport. And if I want to move it around, I can grab this line here and I can place it where I like. And I can size it as I wish, just like that. Let's bring the second one in. I'm going to put that over here. Again, I can size it as I like. About that. And I can drag this one down over here. Again, change the size, whatever we want. Now, I'll just delete that element because we don't want it. Again, if I want these items to be linked together, then I use the this filter option and I just tap on that. So let's just test that that's working. If I tap here, you can see the pie chart and the table update just like that. One of the things that we can do here is that you can go in and you can actually change the actual padding, outer and inner padding, background elements, borders, precision control the sizing, and that's all under the layout tab. Don't forget what you do is you select the item that you wish to change and then go into the layout tab. So let's go back to the dashboard. So here's my floating layout. So just to demonstrate one or two other things that you can do, we could add in an image. So I'm just going to drag an image in, pop it up there. And I happen to have a KU logo, so I'll just stick that in there. There it is. And then I can, let's just put it here for the moment, then I can resize it. And pop it back up here, maybe make it a little bit smaller. We could add text elements in. Let me just move these items down a little bit. So I can drag in some text and we can add some text like this. Our computer students. Oops. Now if I want to change the style of this, highlight the text before you change the style. So if I wanted to make a heading, for example, I could make that 14 and bold, something like that. There it goes. And again, we could add something which is like explanation, some text that explains what we're doing here. So a recent study into the profile of the business students, something like that. And again, I'll select the text to make it a little bit bigger, maybe 12. You can change the size and shape of that. You can go into the options, you can format it, you can change the way it floats. All sorts of options are available. So that could go under there. And just move these elements down. So you can see we can exactly position them and exactly size them as we want, something like that.